Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are really amazing for ebook ideas and high content keywords as well. So anything to do with introducing or creating books that have a lot of information in them, whether they are ebooks or whether they are guidebooks or whether they are beginner's guide, this video is for you. I'll be sharing with you the 4 profitable KDP keywords today. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new daily videos. Let's get started with the first keyword for the day. And in order to assess the profitability of each of the 4 keywords, I am going to be using a total of 4 free Chrome extensions that I have outlined in a previous video linked in the description box below. Alternatively, you can find that video in the channels page as well. So let's get started with the first keyword. Our first keyword is synovial fluid for human joints. This is a keyword that you can create an ebook for, or you can create a guidebook for as well. Now, in order to create a book for this content, which is a health biological related content, you do need to understand what you're talking about. You can also hire a freelance writer as well that has done the research for you. Alternatively, you could also use tools like ChatGPT or any other AI tools, not to write the full ebook, but to come up with, for example, a table of contents, some subheadings as well. And also you can be able to really dive into this keyword because it is quite profitable. So let's break up the results. First of all, we have a total results of number 6, super low. And we also have an average bestseller rank under 100,000, and it is averaging 49,065. The average reviews are 1,529, and average price is $4.33. We also have a really strong keyword niche score given by Amazon's Cat Pro of number 9, which you can find right at the bottom here, and it is one of the highest, actually the highest keyword niche scores that Amazon's Cat Pro can give you in terms of that. So we're also going to go ahead and we're going to ignore the lack of keyword niche score given by Titans and stick to this beautiful juicy data right here that back up our information. Total results 6, bestseller rank below 100,000, really good average reviews, and a good average price that makes you understand what is it that you are entering yourself into, what is the market like as well. So let's break down the keyword synovial fluid for human joints. You can create a guide, for example, on how to increase synovial fluid for human joints. Why is synovial fluid important for human joints? It's because it lubricates the joints. It helps with issues such as arthritis. Arthritis also helps with issues such as when you have joint pain of all sorts and stuff. So you can include some sort of, for example, create a little guidebook on herbal remedies to increase synovial fluid for human joints, or a troubleshooting synovial fluid for human joints, and then you could do like a problem solution, of course based on research, and then just include a disclaimer towards the end of the book or in the beginning of the book where you state that you are not a doctor and the information provided is to be used for educational purposes only, and you should consult with a doctor if you are looking for more customized information to and assess yourself medically that way. So that was the first keyword, synovial fluid for human joints. Alternatively, also you could also create an activity book for this keyword where it really helps for example, medical students or biology, health science students as well, in order to break down the main fundamentals of synovial fluid for human joints, and then just include a charts here and there, maybe coloring sheets as well. You could also include some crosswords with the top terminology that is used when explaining joints and the synovial membranes as well. So that was the first keyword. Let's head to the second keyword for the day, and our second keyword is how to increase cyanuric acid in pool. Now this is a great mechanical book keyword that you can create. So it's basically it's self-explanatory. You're going to be writing a book on how to increase cyanuric acid in pool. Maybe include a introduction of what is cyanuric acid, why you need to increase it in pool, how can it help as well, maybe offer problems and solutions, of course based on research. And we've breaking up the results right here with the total results of 104, super low. And also the average bestseller rank is under 100,000 and it is averaging 41,382. Average reviews are 871, average price is $32.55, and we have a really strong high keyword niche score given by Amazon's Cat Pro of, then again, number 9, the highest on the scale, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a great niche. How to increase cyanuric acid in pool. Great keyword, and I highly recommend you write a short guidebook, maybe 30 ways to increase cyanuric acid in pool. Let's head to the third keyword for the day, and it is how to stick things to walls without damaging paint. This is yet again another great keyword to create an ebook for, and you could go ahead and be like the top 30 ways, for example, to stick things to walls without damaging paint. And we have a total results under 1,000 of 74. Average bestseller rank is under 300,000 and it is currently 60,163, just like the way we want it. Average reviews are 1,255. Average price is $8.53. We also have a really good keyword niche score by Amazon's Cat Pro, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche, giving us a number 8, which we're all happy with, and it beautifully complements the results that we have right here. And we have our final keyword for the day, which is how to build a better brain. How to build a better brain is another great ebook idea that you could write, and it has a total results of 216. Alternatively, also you could also use this keyword as part of your 7 keyword slots for anything to do with cognitive activity books, anything to do with activity books or ebooks that you've previously written and published that are live, or any sort of workbook in terms of how to increase brain activity, how to strengthen your brain. And it has a bestseller rank average of 843,791, which is why I recommend it to be used as part of the 7 keyword slots for any previously already published book. We have the average reviews of 849, an average price of $9.63, and we also have a super high keyword niche score of number 9 by Amazon's Cat Pro, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a great niche and the highest on the scale. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.